Why coffee gives you a headache? There's nothing like a fresh cup of coffee to start the day on a high note. However, as shown in a 2009 study at the Norwegian University of Science and Technology, it's possible to experience headaches from drinking coffee, leading you to wonder, why does coffee give you a headache, and does caffeine cause headaches? The study noted that some people who consume even low doses of caffeine can encounter chronic headaches, and headaches and other consequences can mess with productivity and energy levels. There are a couple of different ways that coffee can affect the body, and it often depends on dosage and bodily predispositions for caffeine tolerance. Causes of a caffeine headache include caffeine sensitivity, caffeine intoxication or overdose, caffeine allergy, and caffeine withdrawal. Having too heavy of a pour can lead to caffeine overdose or intoxication, and signs and symptoms of caffeine intoxication include restlessness, increased diuresis, and muscle twitching. Causes the blood vessels in the brain to constrict. Once caffeine leaves your system, these blood vessels dilate and swell, which can give the sensation of a pounding headache. Headaches can also occur if your dosage tends to fluctuate. With regards to caffeine consumption, even minute decreases in consumption, 50 to 100 milligrams, from what one is used to can trigger a headache. The best advice is to drink coffee in moderate dosages, as there are many benefits to drinking coffee, and be especially cautious if you suffer from headaches. You are your greatest expert with regards to your body's response. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to watch more videos.